My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware called Swift. Swift is the new ransomware that is able to damage the files considerably. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles or complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Swift ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access the data. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this Swift extension to the file names. It is impossible to open these files. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea, of course. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your data. So do not waste the ransom. Do not waste your money by paying the ransom, I mean. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. Update of the anti-malware database is definitely extremely important, so do not skip that process. Make sure the antivirus database is fully updated. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Now, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. You can upgrade to premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Once again, pay attention to the link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about possible restoration of the files after the ransomware attack.